Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Makindra, if you do not already know. Today I am discussing my week 38 of my pregnancy, which, oh my gosh, that is just insane. Right now I'm currently 39 weeks today, so today is the 21st of April. And she's still not here, so so I am recording my week 38 for you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Also, how do we like this new intro? Do we like it? Do we like it? I've been trying out some different things. I've been, doing my research, trying to make it overall better, more improved. I'm putting a lot of effort into my channel now, and I'm really enjoying the process actually. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, that's besides the point. So just let me know if you guys like it down in the comment section. So week 38, there's not a whole lot to go off of. I mean there is, but there isn't. It's just a lot of discomfort, I want to say, for week 38. So what I note in my notes for week 38 is that there's not a whole lot of kicking going on anymore. It's just her more so moving a lot, and I just feel her moving way down there. There's a lot of pressure down there. I feel her in my butt. That's really weird to say, but I do. I feel her moving in my butt, and I also feel a lot of pressure down in that area, which is really weird. Definitely a sensation that I haven't felt before. And yeah, like I said, there's just not a lot of kicking anymore going on. It's just her moving. I feel like she's just trying to get herself in position and ready. Doctor did say, oh, that's another thing, we'll get into that. So at night I'm basically just having a lot of cramping that's going on, and it's keeping me up actually. I haven't been able to sleep at all during this week, and it has been killing me, hence why I barely have any makeup on, and I barely even tried to make an effort to do my hair today because it's just, I'm so exhausted and I don't want to do anything. And after this video I'm probably going to end up taking a nap because I'm just exhausted. I did have an appointment for my week 38. If you've watched my week 37, I explained that I haven't been able to go to the doctor's weekly yet until I hit week 38, and then I'll have one for week 39 just because of the coronavirus stuff that's going on. So I had my week 38 appointment, and it was an intense appointment. So I'm pretty sure she did a sweep. Her hand was pretty much all the way up in there. But after she did it, when I went home, I just felt so much cramping. I was just oh my gosh, I'm cramping a lot, a lot. I had a lot of discharge afterwards, and so it made me wonder. I was oh my gosh, is my water breaking? Is this part of my mucus plug? Or I was just really confused by it. But I think it's just because she was just messing with stuff up there that she started to kickstart something, and it just didn't work out. For my appointment also, I still have not dilated at week 38. I was still at a 0, no dilation. My cervix is still really hard and it's still really high. So my doctor assumed that she wasn't going to be coming. She was probably going to go past her due date, basically. Another thing is that my doctor wanted to schedule an induction. My doctor was only going to be able to be at the hospital, so she was on call, I think, the 27th. So I'm being induced the 26th because she said that she doesn't really want to go past 40 weeks. She doesn't like to do that for women. I don't know why. I didn't ask. That's a question that I should ask for my week 39 appointment now that I think about it, though. So I will be doing that. So after the appointment, which was I think 38 weeks and 3 days, I was having bowel movements easily. And I thought it was maybe because of the cramping, maybe that's why I was cramping, but no, because even after I went, I was still having a lot of cramping going on. And then I was also having a lot of Braxton Hicks as well, and I thought maybe again oh, I just have to go to the bathroom kind of thing, but no, I couldn't go to the bathroom. It wasn't because I had to go to the bathroom, it was just I don't know. I thought she did something. I thought my doctor had kickstarted something, but she did not, unfortunately. So I'm praying that I've showed some progression for my week 39 appointment. I'm So then I've also been taking at least 30-minute walks every other day. I should be doing it every day, but it's so exhausting. I feel so exhausted after I take a walk. I'm literally, when I take a walk, I come home, I feel really good that I took a walk, but then I like want to nap all day. So I take a nap usually after I take a walk, and then I have a really hard time like sleeping as it is. So when I take a nap during the day, it just makes it even harder to go to sleep at night. So I've also been trying to do some things during week 38 to kickstart labor because I am done being pregnant. So I tried the pineapple. I ate an entire pineapple in like a day and a half. I've also been drinking the raspberry red leaf tea. I'll have to go get that and show you guys in a second. And then I've also been taking the evening primrose oil still, even though it hasn't shown any, I mean, it's not supposed to make you dilate, but it's supposed to soften your cervix, or women claim that it does, but it hasn't done any of that for me. I guess we'll find out, and then we'll also see if like it helped my labor process at all, and if I tore, so then I'll keep you guys updated about that as well. At night I've been having a lot of nausea, so I've been really nauseous at night. I'll wake up in the middle of the night, and I don't know if it's because I'm like hungry or what, but I remember I woke up and I just was like gagging like all night. I couldn't sleep at all. I didn't get any sleep that night, but it's happened more than once, so I don't know if it's like pre-labor thing that's happening or what, or if my body's just like the surge of hormones or something that's going through me and it's just causing me to be really nauseous. I don't know, it's really weird. And I've also noticed that, you know, like my appetite has kicked up a notch, so I don't know if it's because I'm like really hungry or if it's just because I'm nauseous because of these hormones being released. I have no idea. So that's been really weird for week 38. I constantly have to go pee. So at night I'm at least getting up at least 3 times to go to the bathroom. As soon as I go to the bathroom and I come to lay back down and I'm like laying on my side, I have to go again, and it is so annoying. One tip that I can extend to you guys is like putting a pillow between your legs, because I feel like when you do that, you don't have to go as bad because there's not as much pressure. Like your legs are kind of open, so it like widens it a little bit, and there's, I don't know if that makes any sense or if that's why, but for me it makes me feel a lot better, and I don't have to like go as bad. Like I don't have that like urge that I need to go and I need to go right now kind of thing. But I mean, I have to go to the bathroom constantly anyways, but I feel like at night it's just more of a hassle because I'm trying to go to sleep and it's really annoying. Again, like I said, I'm having a really hard time going to sleep. And then the other day recently, so I just turned 39 weeks, so not yesterday but the day before, I woke up so moody. I was very like, I didn't want to talk to anybody. I didn't want anybody to talk to me. I was just like really emotional. I don't know. I was repacking my diaper bag, making sure I had everything, and cleaning. I don't know if that like, I think it was nesting, obviously, but it was really weird. I just did not feel right. I didn't feel like myself. I was really annoyed by the feeling. Yeah, it was just like, I was so annoyed because I was annoyed, and it just made it so much worse. And then I tried taking a nap. I couldn't even take a nap, so it made me even more moody. But no, it was just, that was a really bad day. But I mean, I'm having better days. I'm just exhausted all the time. I feel like during week 38 was just in general really hard for me for some reason. I don't know. I just feel like I can't move. Every time I stand up, there's just so much pressure. It feels like the baby's just gonna drop out of my butt. Like, that's just the feelings that I'm having right now. But no, it's just, I'm trying to do everything I can to get this baby out. Another thing, I am having an induction. It is scheduled for this Sunday, the 26th at 9 p.m. So just an update on like a labor vlog kind of thing. I really want to do one, but it's going to be on my iPhone, 1, and 2, is it something that you guys would be interested in watching? I don't know. I feel like I would be really bad at keeping up with it just because it's just going to be me. Like Shane isn't going to be there or anything like that to help me like record or whatnot. It's gonna be me and my aunt, and I don't want it to be awkward either because I'm a really awkward person. I hate just recording when people are home. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I will try to do my best to do it. If not, I will definitely do like like a my labor story kind of video. I'll probably end up doing that even if I did a vlog anyways of my labor. But yeah, it's getting so close. I only have 5 more days and then stuff starts happening unless she decides to come early, which I would not complain. So if you guys have any advice of what I should do, then definitely let me know. That is it for my week 38, another short one. I kind of like the shorter videos. If you guys like them too, then please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, one more thing before I forget. I should probably show you my bump since I haven't done it in the last 2 videos, and I'm terrible at this. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Here is, so again, I am 39 weeks. Look, I think she dropped. Look at that. Look how squishy it is up here. It's so weird. But yeah, here's the front. Oh, oh my gosh, it looks so big. But yeah. Bye guys.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?